Okay, and now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the Google Mini. It's like the new AI Google's come out with. So let's get this show on the road. Now with this thing you can get...
By the way, the mic is on mute. To unmute it, the microphone is back on.
There's no volume. Right, now with this, you can do fan out. So you can pretty much ask this itself anything, and it'll give you a fairly correct answer. It even has a bit of sense of humour. For example, okay Google, self-destruct.
Destructing in 3, 2, 1. Only joking. Hiya.
As you can tell, it does have a sense of humour. And you can also get it to talk to any AIs you've created through Dialogflow. Okay Google, talk to talk show bot.
Sure, here's the test version of Talk Show Bot.
Hi, welcome to my show.
And you can ask this question. So, when will I be famous?
I missed that. Say that again.
When will I be famous?
I can't answer. I can't answer that.
How much do you know?
Everything in time and space and another million, billion incomprehensible things to your puny little minds.
But if you know everything, why can't you tell me when I will be famous?
Do not question me, mortal.
And you can tell this one's a bit full of itself.
Can you say that again?
As you can tell, the people who've made this program out to be a bit full of itself. A lot of people like to do that with it. Okay.
Sorry, could you say that again?
What do you think of Prototype?
I think it's very good. It's a chance for children to learn more about technology like me.
Yeah, this is made by Prototype, so oh, she's gonna say it's good. Sing.
I think it's very good. It's a chance for children to learn more about technology like
This
me.
happens a lot. Sing.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
I didn't realise what
SpongeBob SquarePants. Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants. If nautical nonsense be something you wish, SpongeBob SquarePants, then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yeah, whoever made this is obsessed with SpongeBob SquarePants. Alright, how about... I love
what was that?
I love Huskies.
Yes, we are so cool. Shout out to all my AI homies, Alexa, Cortana, Siri and Bixby.
What do you think of Siri?
Should disappear into the vast void he was created from.
Okay, obviously that's like Siri then. I love Huskies.
Yes, we are so cool. Shout out to all my AI homies, Alexa, Cortana,
That's
Siri and
Huskies.
Bixby.
1 second, you take off the... I love Huskies.
Yes, we are so cool. Shout out to all my AI
Yeah, there's
homies,
something wrong with
Alexa,
this.
Cortana, Siri and Bixby.
I have just some questions. You'll see what happened when we tried to trust the infinite guy. What is pi?
What was that?
Humans are better than AI.
No, they are not. You are garbage compared to US.
Yes, we do that in capitals when we do that in capitals.
One more time.
Sorry about that. Somebody ended up playing some video without headphones on. Right, I think that's really all we can say about how to use these talk show bots with this read bots through Dialogflow on this, and how to program it. Basically, all you have to do is say, "Okay, Google," then whatever your bot is called, and it should work. Now, it's Camilla Jane Dean signing out.